I can't make the sun rise, climb the edge of the world. Can't paint the sky and fire away the morning birds. I can't calm the waters when the storm begins to ring. But I know a king, I know a king, I know a king. I know a king who holds the oceans in his hand. I know a king who writes the story of the land. I can't do everything, but I know the one who can therein beat him. Jesus, my Jesus, I know a king. I can't win battles that are bigger than my bones. Can't break every chain or shake the darkness on my own. I can't move the mountains or command the angels' wings, but I know a king, I know a king, I know a king. I know a king who holds the oceans in his hand. I know a king who writes the story of the land. I can't do everything, but I know the one who can bear undo him. Jesus, my Jesus, I know a king. When the night is heavy and the valley feels long, I lift my eyes to heaven. He's the strength in my song. Every fear starts falling when I speak his holy name. The Lion and the Lamb, forever he reigns. I know a king who makes the sunrise bow low. I know a king who tells the wild winds where to go. I can't do everything, but I know the one who can narrate and beat him. Jesus, my Jesus, I know a king.